Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking an LA style hot dog. These hot dogs are wrapped in bacon, topped with onions and peppers, with mayo, ketchup and mustard. To start, you'll need to slice one onion into strips, followed by one side of a red bell pepper. For some heat, slice half a jalapeno. Next, take a hot dog and wrap with bacon starting from one end. Tuck the ends in to keep the bacon attached to the hot dog. Light a chimney of charcoal. I'm using Clean Heat charcoal. Place a cast iron pan over heat before adding some oil. Add the onions and cook until they begin to soften. Next, add the peppers. Cook until the onions and peppers have softened. Don't stress if the onions brown a little too much, it adds another level of flavour. Once they're cooked, remove from the heat. Place the hot dogs opposite the charcoal. Cover with a lid, cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until the bacon has started to crisp up. All that's left to do is to make these hot dogs. Place the hot dogs in the buns. Add the onion and pepper mix. Top with mayo, yellow mustard, and ketchup. There you have it, an LA style hot dog. We all know bacon makes everything better, but the sweetness of the bell peppers and the kick of the jalapenos give this a great mix of flavors. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.